So we learned basically, few tricks to understand Swedish articles. There are no specific rule to remember that which noun is n noun and which is eth noun. But here we gone through few rules, or you can call them guidelines, that we can follow and we can understand an article. The first one in this exercise is album. Album. How can I use article here? I have to go back at why,
At
because here you have learned this suffix um.
because is coming.
Noun ends with you have to always place there at album. Okay, so I can place here just simply
At E-double-T at album.
okay.
Yeah.
And when we have this suffix at the end, what should
Yeah.
we write? ARE.
N-E-N.
En, exactly. So when we find this one,
We have to place E-N. Yeah.
and Stockholmer means a Stockholmer, the person who lives in Stockholm. Else, find this suffix at the end. What should you write for?
E-N.
You can always check,
N.
I have mentioned here. Here is en, else.
Yeah. E-N.
So in this scenario, just place here en.
E-N.
And back else means a pastry. Ande. So this is a suffix ande.
And at.
Et.
E-T-T. At.
Yes.
Yeah.
Et noun regering. So here you have this suffix.
E-N.
You can
N.
find N regering, government, and this is the same like this one.
E-N. A-R-E. Like last ending. Yeah.
And larare. What should I write here? For
At.
whole ande. Yes, at for whole ande means a relationship.
Ande. Yeah.
Nehet, piece of news.
E-N.
N, because when you find hate and noun. At gymnasium in upper secondary school.
E-double-T.
Posto ende means citation. Ende. First you find the ende we have here. Ende. This is ande. You can always check here. Do you have ende? Yes, we have here.
E-double-T.
At or ende means the task. So we can place here at. Else. N.
E-N. N.
Else means a movement. N. Roar else.
At.
Jubileum.
At jubileum.
At jubileum means an anniversary. Date.
No.
We have this suffix at the end.
N. E-N.
More
N.
difficulty.
N. Kappa. Kappa. E-N.
Kappa. When noun ends with A, it should be a noun. Okay.
N noun.
And the next we have
N.
an opening.
Opening.
When you find this suffix ing, that means it should be a noun. Okay. An opening. So these are few rules that once you read any text, you can always try to find the suffix if you want. Okay, that I have gone through this suffix, either this noun is following that specific guidelines or not. So if you try to find, then with passage of time you will be familiar with all these suffix. Okay.